Can a single dollar make you a millionaire? It's a question that sparked countless dreams, especially in the world of cryptocurrency, where fortunes can be made or lost overnight. In crypto, that dream drives millions, and SHIB, the Shiba Inu token, is at the heart of it. For many, SHIB represents the hope that a tiny investment could one day lead to life-changing wealth. Once just a meme, SHIB has transformed into a global phenomenon with real ambitions, a massive following, and a growing ecosystem that's hard to ignore. The big question: could SHIB, now worth fractions of a cent, ever hit $10? It sounds impossible, but in crypto, the impossible sometimes feels just within reach. It's a question of hope, technology, and value in the digital age, where innovation can change the game overnight and new trends can reshape entire markets. SHIB's journey has been a wild ride, soaring highs, gut-wrenching drops, and a community that never quits. Through every twist and turn, SHIB holders have shown remarkable resilience. As of October 2025, the market is buzzing with speculation and new developments, from its own blockchain to major partnerships and ambitious projects on the horizon. But to even consider $10, we need to look past the hype and dig into the token's mechanics, its whales, and its tech. Understanding the fundamentals is crucial. For SHIB to reach $10, its market cap would have to surpass anything the world's ever seen, making it nearly impossible overnight and raising questions about sustainability. Yet crypto is full of surprises. The market has defied expectations before, and it could do so again. The key is separating wild speculation from real, data-driven potential. Only by looking at the facts can we make informed decisions. We'll break down the tech, the whales, the burn mechanism, and SHIB's long-term vision. Each piece plays a role in shaping SHIB's future. The goal isn't a simple yes or no, it's to give you the knowledge to decide for yourself if SHIB's journey is fantasy or future. Let's dive in and explore what's really possible. To predict SHIB's future, we need to know where it stands now. The current landscape is shaped by a mix of technical trends, market psychology, and global events that all play a role in determining SHIB's next move. As of October 2025, SHIB's price is consolidating after a volatile year, a classic standoff between buyers and sellers. This period of sideways movement often signals that the market is waiting for a catalyst, something big enough to break the deadlock and set a new direction. Bitcoin's moves still set the tone for altcoins like SHIB. When Bitcoin rallies, SHIB often follows. When it stumbles, SHIB feels it even harder. This correlation means that SHIB's fate is closely tied to the broader crypto market's mood swings. The broader crypto market is cautious, with regulatory debates and economic uncertainty adding to the tension. Investors are watching for signals from governments and central banks, which can quickly shift sentiment. SHIB isn't just fighting its own battles. It's navigating a massive financial ocean. Every move is influenced by global liquidity, investor appetite, and the ever-changing landscape of digital assets. The SHIB army, its passionate community, keeps the token in the spotlight, but hype can cut both ways, fueling rallies or triggering sell-offs. Their enthusiasm is a double-edged sword, capable of driving both rapid gains and sudden corrections. Community sentiment is a key short-term driver. Social media buzz, trending hashtags, and viral moments can all spark price swings in a matter of hours. On the fundamentals, the Shiba Inu team is building Sheibba, its Layer 2 solution, is rolling out updates and new projects. These technical upgrades are designed to improve scalability, lower fees, and attract more users to the ecosystem. The goal? Transform Shiba from meme to utility token. The team envisions a future where Shiba is used for real-world applications, not just speculation. Success depends on real-world adoption and execution, not just promises. Partnerships, integrations, and actual use cases will determine whether SHIB can break out of its meme status. The market is watching closely, weighing hype against progress. Every announcement, update, or setback is scrutinized by investors and analysts alike. SHIB's identity is caught between its meme roots and its utility-driven future. The next chapter will be defined by whether it can evolve beyond its origins and deliver lasting value. Traders use technical indicators as essential tools in their decision-making process, helping them interpret complex price movements and market signals. These indicators help investors read the market's mood, offering clues about whether optimism or caution is prevailing. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, measures momentum. When it's above 70, the asset is considered overbought, and when it's below 30, it's seen as oversold. This can signal when a reversal might be near. Moving averages, or MAs, help smooth out price data to reveal trends. A golden cross signals bullish momentum, while a death cross warns of a potential downtrend ahead. Support and resistance levels act as price floors and ceilings. Breaking through resistance can spark rallies, while support can halt sharp drops and provide stability. For SHIB, the RSI is currently neutral, and the moving averages are clustered close together, suggesting there's no clear trend dominating the market right now. The price is boxed in by strong support and resistance, creating a range-bound environment where breakouts are harder to predict. For a convincing breakout, traders want to see a surge in trading volume, resistance levels broken, and bullish moving average crossovers all happening together. Without these confirming signals, big price spikes are likely to fade fast, often leaving latecomers with losses. Technicals don't guarantee the future, but they help investors spot opportunities and highlight potential risks before making a move. For SHIB, the signals are mixed, reflecting the market's current uncertainty and indecision among traders. Smart investors use these tools to guide, not dictate their decisions, always staying flexible as new data emerges. In crypto, technicals are just one piece of the puzzle, and relying on them alone can be risky. Always combine technical analysis with fundamentals for a more complete and balanced investment strategy. In crypto, whales hold massive amounts of tokens, and their moves can shake the market. When whales buy SHIB, prices can skyrocket as FOMO kicks in. When they sell, panic can crash the price. Tracking whale wallets is key. Are they buying more, moving tokens to exchanges, or just holding? Accumulation signals confidence. Selling or moving to exchanges can mean trouble. For SHIB to reach wild price targets, whales would need to keep buying, and new big players would have to join in. Without sustained whale support, a $10 SHIB is nearly impossible. Burning tokens, removing them from circulation, makes each remaining SHIB scarcer. The community and Shibarium's built-in burn mechanism both contribute, tying burns to real ecosystem use, but with an initial supply of 1 quadrillion, even billions burned, barely dent the total. To truly impact price, burns would need to reach trillions, regularly. A massive overnight burn to $10 is fantasy. Real change requires years of steady, growing burns. The burn is a marathon, not a sprint. Sustainable value comes from adoption and consistent supply reduction. The community's commitment to burning is strong, but the numbers are daunting. For SHIB to last, it needs real utility. Enter Shibarium, its Layer 2 blockchain. Shibarium makes transactions faster and cheaper, powering games, DeFi, and more. Every transaction burns SHIB, linking usage to value. The more apps and users, the more SHIB gets burned. Beyond Shibarium, the team is building a metaverse, games, and decentralized identity tools, each adding new uses for SHIB. The goal turns SHIB from a speculative asset into a currency people actually use. Success depends on delivering top-quality products that attract real users. In a crowded crypto space, only the best will thrive. The market is watching. Execution is everything. SHIB's future hinges on turning vision into reality. Will SHIB hit $10? The math says no. Its market cap would dwarf the entire global economy. A more realistic target is 1 cent, but even that would require SHIB to rival the world's biggest companies and massive token burns. The near-term goal, eat a zero. A tenfold price increase possible in a strong bull market if Shibarium and burns accelerate. Each zero removed is a major win for the community. Price predictions are just educated guesses. Crypto is unpredictable. The smart move: focus on fundamentals. Is the team delivering? Is the ecosystem growing? Is the community engaged? If yes, SHIB has a shot at long-term growth regardless of short-term swings. Value follows utility. Hype fades, but real progress lasts. SHIB's story is about more than price. It's about community, branding, and bold vision. From meme to ecosystem, SHIB faces tough competition and a long road ahead. The $10 dream is a symbol, not a forecast. Real potential lies in steady growth, adoption of Shibarium, and building real-world applications. The SHIB Army's passion and ongoing burns matter, but execution is key. Stay balanced. Celebrate wins, but recognize the challenges and math. Informed decisions beat wild speculation. SHIB's journey is just beginning, and the most important chapters are still to come. Stay informed, stay curious, and use reliable resources like Crypto Insider to guide your crypto journey. Knowledge is your best asset in this revolutionary financial landscape.